Hi, my name is Agustina, and during this year I've been studying online. 2020, what a year it's been with so many highs and lows, but I am so grateful for how God has been so faithful, and having had this opportunity of studying online was a key point in my life and in my process. I am amazed because some of the classes were so filled with the tangible presence of the Lord. We were weeping, and even though the Zoom call had ended, we were all praying together, and it was amazing for me. And also, I am conscious and aware that there were so many people working for this. Every morning, I don't have to worry about this. I just have to be able to receive, and that's a blessing. I know so many people were involved in this, so an enormous thank you from the bottom of my heart.